Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Menopause isn't for pussies. Today, I was going to do a whole tutorial for you on 3 new products that I've just tried and give you kind of my product review on them. But I'm instead just going to do this one today. It's SuperStay Vinyl Ink by Maybelline. And I had to do it because I'm pretty excited about it. I just sounded Irish there all of a sudden. I'm not sure what that's all about. Anyway, I'm a weirdo. Okay, so usually I don't wear makeup day to day. I do have sunscreen on, and I could obviously use a little cover up for these eyes, but I want to show you how great this is. Doesn't dry your lips, and it lasts, it says 16 hours. I mean, listen, it lasts, well, put it this way. I had chicken wings the other day. I don't usually eat greasy chicken wings, but I did this one day, and it was stood 7 chicken wings. Not bad. And I think the price is $24. A little more than I like to pay generally, but it's worth it. So Maybelline, great job. And it's that easy. Hold on. I'm gonna add a little more here, obviously on my top lip. I'm a little klutzy today. And then we go. And that's it for the day. Yeah, so I had to share this with you. Maybelline SuperStay Vinyl Ink. And I bought the, this one's called Cheeky. So check it out.